Hi, Meghlita this side.
Welcome back to my channel. The focus of today's video is on a crucial aspect of managing diabetes, meal planning in Indian conditions. As we all know, a healthy diet plays a vital role in managing blood sugar. For people with diabetes in India, it's essential to consider our cultural preferences, local food availability, and meal timings. Let's explore how we can plan our meals effectively to keep our blood sugar levels within the target range. Before we jump into the subject, please subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so and hit the bell icon to get notification. Please understand that this video is for informational purposes only. You are advised to consult your professional healthcare professional or your dietitian based on your specific health needs, intensity and complexities of your health issues. Planning meals appropriately is pivotal for individuals with diabetes. In Indian conditions, where our culinary culture is rich and diverse, it's crucial to make smart choices to manage blood sugar levels effectively. First, let us start with understanding Indian food choices. Indian cuisine is known for its richness in flavors, spices, and diverse food choices. However, many traditional Indian foods can significantly impact blood sugar levels due to their high carbohydrate content. To plan your meals keeping diabetes in mind, here are some key considerations. First, focus on whole grains, such as brown rice, whole wheat, and millets like ragi and jowar. These grains have a lower glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. In addition, include sources of lean protein, like lentils, legumes, cottage cheese, tofu, and lean meats in your diet. Protein helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full for longer periods. Increase your intake of high-fiber vegetables and fruits, as they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber while being low in sugar. Some good options amongst vegetables include spinach, bitter gourd, broccoli, cauliflower, and among fruits berries and citrus fruits. It is smarter to keep in mind that moderation is key always. Limit the consumption of deep-fried foods, sugary desserts, and sweetened beverages, as they can significantly affect blood sugar levels. In addition to making healthy food choices, proper portion control is vital for managing blood sugar levels. A simple technique to portion your meals appropriately is using the plate method. Fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables, like salad or stir-fried veggies. Then, allocate 1/4 for lean protein, like grilled chicken or fish. The remaining quarter should be filled with whole grains or a small serving of starchy vegetables. This method certainly helps control calorie intake and promotes a balanced meal, contributing to better blood sugar management. Next tip in your meal planning is meal timings, which can play a significant role in diabetes management. It is crucial to maintain regular meal times and avoid prolonged fasting. Skipping meals or long gaps between meals can lead to imbalanced blood sugar levels. Aim to have 3 main meals and include healthy snacks, such as nuts, seeds, or yogurt, to keep your blood sugar stable throughout the day. Additionally, remember to hydrate yourself adequately by consuming sufficient water throughout the day. Avoid sugary beverages and opt for herbal teas, unsweetened buttermilk, or infused water. So, by making mindful food choices, practicing portion control, and maintaining regular meal timings, you can effectively manage your blood sugar levels and lead an absolutely healthy lifestyle. However, remember, it's always essential to consult your healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice, especially if you are having multiple health conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on diabetes management and other health-related contents. Recommended product to manage your diabetes well and bring it under control is Ayush Certified Diaba Life. This is 100% herbal-based product, with no metal contents. To learn more about the product or to buy the genuine product at the best possible offer price, text to me to my WhatsApp number 7708230289. If you are looking to explore the opportunity to earn some money online, you may watch my 70 minutes free webinar, where I explain in detail how it is possible to do online business. After watching the webinar, if you feel that it is a right fit for you, we can connect and take it further. The link for the webinar on Roadmap to Earn Rs 50,000 per month is given in the description box below. Take good care of yourself. See you soon. Thanks for watching.